Yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to change this part, and the reason why, it's because see those cracks right there? It's already showing signs that it's going to break off pretty soon, and yeah, it's time to change it. So we're going to change the anchor mount, and I'm going to show you guys the tools that you guys are going to require to change this part. It's very easy. All you're going to need is just a 14 millimeter socket with the ratchet and a 14 millimeter wrench. And here are your parts. So 14 millimeter wrench, and just another one because you're gonna use it. I'm gonna show you guys what you guys are gonna use this for. And here's your 14 millimeter socket with your ratchet. And this is the part that I'm gonna be using. I got it off of Amazon for like 30 bucks. Alright, we're gonna use this 14 millimeter ratchet to remove it. Yeah, the bolts are already loose because I already broke it loose, so just gonna remove it. Once you remove it, the next step would be using your 14 millimeter ratchet. This might one be a little bit hard, so this is where this one comes in handy. What you do is you attach it this way, like that, like so, and you use it as leverage, and that's how you pop it loose, and then you just take it off. And when you guys get this bolt out, it's gonna be a little bit difficult, but just all you gotta do is just keep on twisting it with your fingers, finish it off with your fingers, and then slowly it's gonna come out sideways just like that. Now the other one is already coming out, so as you guys can see, and all you got to do now, just grab it like this and just pull back on it and just move it sideways, and that's that part right there. Now if you guys want to take the old part, which is this little part right here, and replace it and put it onto this one right here, you guys can do that too as well. All you need is a 10 millimeter socket, and just unscrew it off. Once you remove this from there, the hole, you're just gonna have to file it, make it a little bit bigger so it can fit in the other one. You can use one of these files. So basically you just file it back and forth all the way around, whatever, until you make it big enough for this one. This one you remove it with the 1/2 inch socket. Once you remove it, you pop it out, and then once you make this hole just a little bigger, it should only take you about maybe 2 minutes just to make it bigger. You know, it's not that difficult. The hole should fit in there perfectly fine now. And the reason why I'm changing is because this guy, as you guys can see, is just a little bit bigger than the other one, and there is nothing wrong with this right here. As you guys can see, there's nothing wrong with this, so I'm just going to transfer it over to this one, to the new one. See, and it fits in there nicely. It flushes down all the way down, and then all you gotta do now is just bolt it back on there, and then there you go. So this is the final product right here. As you can see, it's nice and flush, so it's ready to go in there now. Ready to go in there. Now before you put the bolts in there, what you want to do, you want to clear out this rust. And how you clear it out, I'm going to be using a wire brush, and just scrape it up as best as you can. And then once you do that, then you do it to the other one just a little bit. Alright, when you guys put this bolt back in there, you're gonna have to just grab this and pull back this way so the rubber can line up with the hole in there, and then the screw should just drop all the way in there. And when you start screwing it, at the same time you have to pull back that way, as you do. See? So that way it could go down. I can't show you because I don't have a. You know what? Maybe I can show you. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Alright, there you go. Alright, so basically you want to pull back this way, like I was. See, it goes in there nicely, and then the way you're gonna put this one back is tying it like this, and then once you get to the last part, what you want to do is you grab that other wrench, and you see which way is it, this way, and you basically you put it like that, and then all you gotta do is just pull back to give it that tightness on there. So there you go, you guys. It's nice and tight. Both bolts are nice and tight, and I was able to remove that piece. Where is it at? That piece, and exchange it and put it in here. That looks a little bit more better. See? If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, leave comments, subscribe, share. It would really help me out. Thank you guys, and God bless you guys all.